Hey, come join me for a behind the photo video. I was actually inspired by a Halloween look I had done in 2021, and I also wanted to use the iHeart Revolution pink chocolate palette. Behind the photo was an idea I created in China, which was essentially filming myself while I came up with these looks that were just on the fly. I'm going to start with a niacinamide moisturizer from Revolution Skincare, and I'm not going to do my full skincare routine because I'm going to wash my face as soon as I'm done taking the photo for today. After a little sippy sip of coffee, we're going to go ahead and lay down my everyday primer, which is from Milk Makeup. I don't even know if they still make this, to be honest. That's how old this product is, or how old mine is. Oh man, I shouldn't admit that. Taking one of my favorite matte foundations, I'm just going to apply it from under my eyes down to my neck. I'm going to leave my forehead bare because we're actually going to take a colored face cream and apply it up there. You know, I must say, watching myself blend this foundation in versus watching myself blend it in live through a mirror, I look so splotchy on camera. What's wrong with me? Oh my gosh, that is not going to happen in the future. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. I'm almost out, my golly. I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes. Nowhere too crazy. I'm not trying for a heavy coverage. I just need my skin to look smooth, or the foundation, the base, to look a little bit smooth, so that way post-production's a little bit easier. And now for the fun part, I'm taking this white face cream, and I'm going to go ahead and mix the bright pink color in the palette. And I'm going to make this pink cream and apply this to my forehead. Now again, this look is all on the fly. I've never done this before, so we don't know how it's going to turn out. So if you see me making a few faces along the way, well, that's why. Anyways, I really liked how it turned out, but I did think it was a little bit light, and I don't think I made enough of it. I really spread it thin, and I was kind of lazy. I didn't feel like making another batch of it. So this is what I came up with. I did my forehead, I did my sideburn area, and I did right underneath my eyebrows and a little bit on my nose. Now I'm thinking, how can I make it more pink? Well, I just grabbed the shadow. I'm kind of regretting my choice here, but I went forward. I was trusting the process. Now this pink color is the pink color that I wanted. I was very pleased with it, but I need it to have more dimension. So I went ahead and applied it like I would a contour and kind of a blush, but mainly a contour. So I was really darkening the upper edges of my forehead. I was darkening my, what is that sideburn area called? My temples, gosh, sideburns. Oh my goodness. I gave myself some blush or like a deep cheek contour. I was pretty pleased with how it turned out, to be honest. After a few more layers, I really liked it. Actually. I didn't want a deep nose contour, but I did want to make the inner corners of my eyes look a little hollow, so I did apply some pink in there just to see what it looked like, and then right underneath my brow bone. I was just trying to deepen that area a bit with some darker layers. Yes, I'm feeling it. I'm going with it. Now, again, like I said, on the fly, I'm liking how it's looked, but I don't know how it'll look in the end. Again, more contour areas. I'm trying to hollow myself out with this pink look. I was kind of going for like a pink witch vibe, and I think that's because I was inspired by the Halloween photo that I had taken, but who knows? I'm not going to put any brow product on, but I am going to give them a quick clean so that they don't have any pink powder in them. Then I'm going to take the Sephora Lip Stories lipstick, and I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. So I have been trying out this technique recently, especially with this color. And you can see I'm actually looking up. This is so I can mark my eyelid to see how high I have to put the lipstick in order for it to not smear. Once I draw out my eyeliner, it's going to be a thick wing. I'm going to just go ahead and set it with some setting powder and do the same thing to the other eye. By the way, I'm just using a Cover FX setting powder sampler. Yes, I was very pleased with how it turned out. So let's go ahead and do it to the other side. I'm just gonna do bam, look up here, and shazam. Now I felt like there wasn't enough pink, so I'm gonna just add a touch, a wee little touch just underneath my eye, kind of drawing down from a nose contour. And then I realized that my camera stopped recording. Forgive the awkward skip, but you can see here that all I did was I put on the pink Lip Stories, the Sephora lipstick, and now I'm dragging it out around my lip. You know, while I was doing this, I was not convinced. It kind of looked clownish, Trying not to panic, I layered the maraschino color on top of the lipstick, and I was still deciding what I should do because having it just smeared outside of my lips looked very clownish and I was not down. Then I decided that I would drag it down on one side, make a sort of diagonal smear. So I went down on one side, up on the other side, and I was feeling it. I felt a lot more comfortable with the, I guess, asymmetry. Is that considered asymmetrical? I think so. Anyways, I was much, much, much happier with that. Now we're going to take a gold Urban Decay eyeliner, and this is where I pulled inspiration from my Halloween photo. I really enjoyed the black line detailing on that photo, so this time I was thinking I would go with some gold line detailing. I have to admit, the further into this look that I was getting, the more I thought that I looked like a clown, like a little pink sad clown. But I enjoyed the pink and gold combination. I wanted to commit to it. I thought I would switch up the line detailing on my face. On the Halloween one, I pulled inspiration from a cyberpunk theme. So it was a combination of like this dark witch with a little bit of cyberpunk lines. And it actually turned out to look a little bit tribal. So I was hoping that this time, if I used the gold eyeliner, it would come out similar. I don't think it did, but I was pretty pleased with the end result. I decided that I had wanted to keep the asymmetry with the lip lines, so that's what I did. I actually am really pleased with this line that went all the way to my ear, and I kind of wish I had done it to the other side, but you know what? Committing to the look. I think in the end it turned out okay. I really trusted my post-production skills, and I guess I was having a lot of faith in how my hair would play into the look. All right, we are coming to the end. To finish off the look, I applied a little bit of the Revolution 5D mascara, the Lash and Define, Lift and Define, that one. Anyways, I also applied a little bit of the pink shimmer shadow called Blossom. And then finally, at the last minute, I decided to actually put the maraschino pink inside my nostrils. I just kind of like the look. I don't know, I was feeling it, I committed to it. But ultimately, at the end, I actually liked how I looked. I pulled my hair down and I was feeling good, confident. I knew that I wanted to do something similar with my hair, get it really messy up in the air, and then sort of crop my arms out of it. In the end, these were the photos that I liked best. And this was the photo that I ended up posting. What did you guys think? If you guys liked it, I would appreciate if you left a comment down below how you'd like to see the behind the photo videos. Go ahead, give this video a like, maybe even a little subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.